Look at this. It says, find the end term of this sequence. The end term of the sequence. If you want to find the end term of the sequence, what is it telling you? It's asking you what? To get the formula for this sequence. To get the formula, we need to investigate this pattern. So you can see in this place, the first value is 5. That is the first term. The second term will be derived from the first term. That is to say, use second term, you are coming from here. Because you are coming from here, we must recognize what is here before. What can you do to this 5 to make 9? Is to say plus 4. We are just investigating. It is possible we get to the next one, it change. That is, we have to start all over again to look for another pattern. But for now, we start with addition. The third one is coming from the second one. Because it is coming from the second one, we have to recognize this. Okay? What can you do to this? This is 9 to get 13. You agree with me? You had another 4. As you can see, there is already a pattern of adding 4, 4, 4, 4. Therefore, you can stop here. If you like, you can continue. I put everything down again. I ask yourself, what can you do to this, which is 13, to get 17? You add another 4. So no need to waste your time because we are just looking for the pattern. Why writing for 21 again? You already know what is going on here. It is time for us to write the end term. But all this pattern, there's similarity. But this guy has no 4. We need to also give it 4. If we put plus 4, we are changing the value to 9. To retain that 5, we need to destroy this 4. How do we destroy the 4? Is to multiply by 0. As you can see, we have achieved 2 things. 4 has appeared here. So this one looks like every other one. At the same time, we have destroyed the 4. But because we introduced this, these other guys are also requesting me to also put the same thing for them. Because you don't need to be partial. As a judge or as a referee, you have to be what? Lenient. So because of that, we have to also give this guy multiplication. Multiply by what? To retain this 4 that was here before, the only way is to put multiply by 1. Now, these other guys also need this multiplication. How many 4 are here? There are 2 in numbers. So we're going to remove this as a multiply by 2. How many are here? We remove this, say, multiply by 3. So you can see, we are still saying the same thing. Now, because they all have the same pattern now, we cannot find the end term. We put 5 for all of them. We put plus for all of them. We put 4 for all of them. We put times for all of them. As you can see, 0, 1, 2, 3 is changing. It's not constant. Then we need to investigate why it is changing. What can we use to represent it? 0. 1 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. Then we have to put n minus 1. So this is actually the end term. You can leave it like this, or you continue to say 5 plus, you expand this 4n minus 4. You agree with me? You can do 5 minus 4 plus 4n. This is 1 plus 4n. This is the final end term. Hope this is understood. Thank you for viewing.